Hey guys, just wanted to check in with you before you get started with today's lesson. I wanted to review three questions from Monday. There was a little bit of confusion with some of the questions. I wanted to clear those up before you get started today. Um, Very first thing is the three questions you struggled with: number 6, number 7, and number 10. Uh, Number 6 and number 7 were about the small and large intestine. Just for you guys to know, in case you didn't get it, the role of the small intestine is to absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. Those nutrients will then be transported throughout your body for your cells, but the small intestine pulls out those nutrients from the food. The role of your large intestine is very simply to remove excess water from the food. So water, that indigestible food that your body just couldn't break down into nutrients to be used, water is going to be absorbed from that food for your body to then be able to use. And then number 10 was the last question, which was check all the components that are a part of the digestive system, and that would be the gastrointestinal tract, the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver, the mesentery, and then enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood. I don't think a lot of people knew how much was actually involved in the digestive system, and that answer could have been found in the TED Ed video. Now for today, very, very simple lesson. You're going to read about digestive enzymes and digestive bacteria and how those kind of play into the digestive system as a whole. And then you're going to watch two videos, one on Discovery Ed and the other on Brain Pop. Please remember, in order to access those videos, you must be logged in to your Wake ID on a separate tab, and then those links should be able to work for you. If you want, you can just log into those individual apps and then kind of just search up the videos. The title of the videos will be in the instructions or the to-do list for that day, or for today, I should say. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out through Google Classroom comments, whether they're private or public, it doesn't really matter. Your peers might be able to answer questions for you a little bit faster than I will be able to. You can also email me, and if you're struggling with content or whatever, you're more than welcome to log on to Google Meet from 1 until 2 p.m. any day of the week, Monday through Friday. I will be there. And the link can be found in the banner portion of the Google Classroom. You can see it right here, right underneath the classroom code. So just be aware of that. Another thing that people were worried about was their assignments being shown as missing in Google Classroom. If you want to remove that, you will have to simply go to, and I will show you really quickly going into someone else's. I'll go into Miss Thomason's Google Classroom because I'm a student.